Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day. Just a monster move. You know, opened up below $1 here today. I take that back. Yesterday closed right around the dollar mark, and today is much higher. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we'll talk resistances. The ideal level of support going into tomorrow. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.65, that would be best case scenario for the bulls. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price does drop below $1.65, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined at that point in time. But yeah, preferably speaking, you know, what would make the chart look the best? Staying up above $1.65 would do exactly that. Next area of support after that point, I'm going to call down here at the $1.40 mark. And then after $1.40, it's just all about the overall trend indicator, which is that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Meaning from the big picture perspective, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. You know, no questions asked, because as time goes by, keyword there being moving average. So this line is going to continue to move its way upwards. And again, it's essentially becomes a trend line, and as long as the price stays above an increasing trend line, well, that implies that the price is increasing, and that's what bullish moves do, right? Now, what about levels of resistance? If this, you know, current bullishness is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm going to change to a different time frame so we can try to keep this as easy to see. So there we go. So the key level right now that the price is currently doing battle with, again, now each one of these candles represents an entire day. We changed time frames. Is going to be the pink line right there, which is the 200-day simple moving average, very famous moving average. And you can see the price did technically, you know, push up above it for a little bit, but essentially closed right at that level. But in order for it to be a true break, not only does the price have to break above it, but then the price has to be able to stay up above it. So $1.81 is that current key level of resistance. If the price can push through there, the next key battleground to keep an eye on is up there at $1.87. I guess is that where the price got rejected from today? It is. So that makes perfect sense. Why do I say that? Well, if you look back here, you can see the top of this former channel was $1.87 and knocked down the price multiple times. So it's kind of like a double whammy right now. You have the 200-day simple moving average and $1.87, both acting as resistance. Not saying that the price can't push through it, but you know, the bulls are definitely going to have to bring their A game. All in all, though, good solid day. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.